was mundane, but why complain if things felt sort of slow? She'd had days of sun, starting plays for fun, and she always felt cared for. And yet one day I heard her say, I need more. There used to be a girl like me who dared to chase her dreams. Each day at 9 she'd stand in line, hope bursting at the seams. She'd sing out her song, they would shout, "You're wrong," and then show her to the door. But with each defeat she'd still repeat, I need more. And then she met a guy she liked, a man who played guitar. He made her feel a little less alone. And then she got a part in what will hopefully be a hit play. It seemed that everything had gone her way. Of course, you see, that girl is me. What luck, I should be glad. My job's a joy, I've got the boy. So why am I so sad? And so what if he barely talks to me, and each kiss feels like a chore? What do you do when dreams come true?